Hi, my name is Simon and this is Wendy. We've just come back from an absolutely stunning trip with Stone Horse. As a novice, I felt so comfortable that I got so much confidence. Um, I was able to gallop, trot, everything. It was superb. The scenery is stunning,
Surreal.
absolutely
It's
surreal.
surreal.
Yeah,
Enchanting.
it's just it's a lifetime experience, and we're definitely hoping to come back again.
Mm, absolutely.
Yeah. The staff, the
The,
food, amazing.
the meals were incredible.
Oh, fantastic.
Absolutely incredible.
Yeah.
There's nothing you can fault about Stone Horse. They bend over backwards to look after your every need. The saddles are really comfortable. You can carry anything that you would need. Make sure you take your wet weather gear because the weather can change dramatically.
But overall, the condition of the horse is superb. You see them against the local horses. There's no comparison.
They are the same breed, but because they're so well looked after, they are much stockier. They're just so well looked after, and we stop at intervals, and the leader looks up and makes sure they get their proper nutrients, stop in proper places, get proper drinks on the way through. The horseman that went with us, incredibly,
Yeah.
just
Environmentally aware as well. Totally environmentally aware. Our campsites were superbly sited, next to rivers, beautiful scenery. Lifetime experience.